Let's take up the next part, that is sixth. She is the chairperson of Infosys, who is the famous for her writings and philanthropic activities. Means she is the person who is the chairperson, means head of Infosys company. Infosys is a well-known software company, and this person is the chairperson, means head of Infosys, and she is famous for her writings and philanthropic activities what she do, and her name is Sudha Murthy. Sudha Murthy. Next one, a novelist and poet. He received the Padma Shri in 2007, and his novel A Suitable Boy is one of the longest novels. So this person has written the novel A Suitable Boy, and it is one of the longest novels till now, and he has got the award Padma Shri in 2007, and his name is Vikram Seth. So he is the person, his name is Vikram Seth. He is a great well-known novelist and poet also, means he also writes poems, not only novels but he also writes poems, so he is also called poet. Next one, she is a novelist, a professor, a poet, and a columnist whose book Mistress of Spices was made into a movie. So this person, she is a novelist, means she writes novels. She is a professor also, maybe she is, it means that she is teaching as a professor in any college somewhere. She is a poet also, means she writes poems also, and she is a columnist, means columnist, you when you read the newspaper you find different articles written by different people, so she has a column in any newspaper. She gives her views. Her writing pieces are being published in newspapers on daily basis, means daily she is giving something to the newspaper to write, so she one column is there fixed for her, so she is a columnist also. And her book Mistress of Spices, so she has written a book that is named Mistress of Spices, which was made into a movie, means someone made a movie on the story that she has written, the Mistress of Spices, and her name is Chitra Banerjee Diva Karuni. Chitra Banerjee Diva Karuni. Now let us try to match the columns, and we will try to find out who is the author of which of the literature piece. First one, Journey to the Center of the Earth, and the answer is Jules Verne. Next, Harry Potter series, very well known, very popular series, all of us love it, even I also love it. It's a great piece of this magical stories, and we'll all love this, and it is written by none other than J.K. Rowling, Miss J.K. Rowling. G part is the answer. Next, third part, Jumanji, and it is written by Chris Van Allsburg. Next, The Chronicles of Narnia, and it is written by, let us match it to the I part C.S. Lewis. Match it to I part C.S. Lewis. Next, number 5, Matilda, and that match it to D. Roald Dahl. Then Peter Pan, match it to A. James Matthew Barries. 7, Stuart Little, match it to F, that is E.B. White. Then Oliver Twist. Then 8th, match it to J part, that is Charles Dickens. Then Adventures of Tom Sawyer, match it to H part, Mark Twain. Then Alice Adventures in Wonderland, mark it to E, Lewis Carroll. And Rabindranath Tagore was the first Indian to receive Nobel Prize for literature in recognition of his work Gitanjali. So Rabindranath Tagore was the first Indian. He was the poet, novelist, and he has written the national anthem of India and Bangladesh. He has written great collection of poems he has written.